we will introduce the Hyundai Telecom Smart Doorbell. This product is a smart doorbell which will be interacted with the iOS application system. The doorbell is interacted with iOS application using the SIP standard with Wi-Fi wireless technology. First, we need to register the product. Open the application, audit, register the smart doorbell. Input the AP which the smart doorbell will use and make a QR code.
하면 되죠. 여러분.
해피 클럽.
맞아요.
넥스트. 그 다음에
Position the QR code in front of the doorbell's camera. The doorbell will adjust to the present Wi-Fi setting.
리셋 모드 만들어 줄래?